Literally how I earned $101.70 in the past 24 hours using Gmail and Telegram. If you want to learn more, stay tuned and let's get straight into it. What's going on for the entrepreneurs? In this video is probably going to be one of the most easiest ways for beginners to make money online using Gmail and Telegram. This is a very interesting strategy that I've been using to make free money online without spending a dime, using the power of CPA marketing. So we're not selling anything, we're not doing any surveys, we're not doing any of these tasks that only pay a couple of cents. This is a real business model that a lot of online entrepreneurs use called cost per action marketing. And quickly, before we hop into my PC, make sure to subscribe down below with the bell on to make sure that you get the latest notifications and videos every time I upload a brand new video on this channel. And also, since we're speaking about Gmail and Telegram, the first platform that we're going to go to is gmail.com. So you do need to set up a Gmail account, really easy to do. I'm sure by now that you most likely do have one. And how this is going to work is we're going to make use of autoresponders on Gmail. So Gmail is completely free. The best part is they have a tool or a program where you can set up an autorespond. So this basically means Gmail is doing the hard work for you. It's done for you. What you need to do is on your Gmail account over here, you will see there's a settings icon. You need to click on that and you need to click on all settings. And then it's going to take you to this page over here where if you scroll down, take a look at this. This entire section over here where it says subject and message, we can set up where someone replies or sends us an email, this is an auto response that they will get. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this in a tab over here and we're going to come back to this just a little bit later. The next step that we need to go and do is we need to come over to maxbounty.com. We need to come over to the browse section over here and we need to go and find, or it's the search section, sorry, not the browse section. And we need to go and find some CPA offer that we can go and use to make money with this. So the one that I usually like to use, they have a PayPal giveaway. So take a look at this. If I search PayPal, there is a company right now running a PayPal giveaway where they are paying us $2.40 per person that we refer to this giveaway. How they make their money is they collect thousands and thousands of people in their email list, promote them with affiliate offers, different offers to make money online, and they get tens of thousands of dollars in return, and as a thank you they're giving away $1,000 to a lucky email subscriber. But they're also paying us $2.40 per lead to also grow their email list and their business. So it's kind of like a win-win for everybody. So that's how you make money with this. So over here you can see if I search PayPal, there's a competition over here that says use sweeps, win $1,000 PayPal prepaid gift card. We're going to go and click on this, and I want you to take notice that there's only 100 actions per day and the countries allowed is United States. So that means only people in the United States can sign up for this giveaway and win this $1,000, which is not a problem because I'm going to show you how to get targeted traffic with this. So all you're going to do is click on bold tracking link over here. You're going to click on contextual. You're going to click on raw link over here. Here you will see your long affiliate link. If I copy this affiliate link just to show you and paste this in a new tab just to show you what this landing page does, it's going to take me to this PayPal landing page. I'm just waiting for this to load. Where as far as I know, there we go, it's busy loading, where you enter like your username, your email. Here, take a look at this. So it's going to generate this page over here where you can win $1,000 PayPal gift card, where this company is then going to pay you every time someone fills out their name, their information over here, and enters this giveaway, $2.40 every single time. So if you refer 10 people, that's $24. If you refer 100 people, that's $240 in a day. Those are some goals that you can perhaps set yourself. So then what we're going to do is, now that we've got our landing page, our CPA offer, now to go and make money, we need to go and set up our Gmail autoresponder. And for our autoresponder, we can say the following. So come back to this page over here where we opened up that settings icon as we spoke about previously. We can type congratulations, you qualify, or let me just spell correctly, that would be fantastic. You qualify to enter the $1,000 PayPal prepaid gift card. To enter, click on this link. And then what we can go and do is, we want to go back to Max Bounty over here, copy our affiliate link. We're going to come back to bit.ly, which is a tool that shortens a URL to not make it look as long and spammy. Let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at this. You can see this is very long. It looks very like spammy. We want to neaten that up. So we can come over to Bitly, paste this over here, and we can click on shorten over here. Then all we're going to do is we're going to click on copy. We're going to come back to our Gmail settings over here. We're going to paste this here, and that is it. All we're going to do is subject, you qualify to enter the $1,000 PayPal giveaway. So that's just the subject of the email. Then we can click on save changes. Now what this means is every time someone emails this email, they're going to be auto responded with that email, making it look like as if we are replying to them, which is kind of the idea that we want to get behind this, as organic replies build trust, which is what we're doing here. And from there we need to go over to this website over here called desktop.telegram.org. So we need to go and download the Telegram app. And what I did was I came over to the Telegram Google search over here, make money online Telegram groups. Or we can go, for example, here's one over here with 2,300 members. All you do is you open on this link, and I'm just waiting for this Telegram app to download. And we're going to click on join group, and then it's going to upload, because I usually do this on my mobile phone. It's just much easier to illustrate this on a PC, so I don't have Telegram on my phone. But all you're going to do is you're going to click on join group. It's going to open up in Telegram now. I'm going to show you now. And if I scroll down some more, you can see here, yes, some make money online Telegram channels that we can open up on this page. And you want to go and join, for example, as many of these channels as possible. So I don't see here, view channel. So click on view channel, open Telegram link, same thing, it's going to open up in Telegram. You go join that channel, which I'm going to show you now. We can also go, for example, PayPal money, PayPal groups, Telegram, for example. Let's click on enter and let's see what we can find. PayPal make money Telegram group. You want to go join a group like this, you click on view group, which I'm going to open up all these groups in a bit. I'm just going to wait for Telegram to finish downloading, then I'm going to be back. So I'm back with Telegram downloaded, and I've joined one or two of these PayPal make money online groups, which you can just find on Google. If you do a couple of Google searches, you will find a ton of different channels and groups. I'm also going to show you a second way to do this just in a bit. And why we've chosen these groups, because obviously these people are interested in making money online. They're interested in PayPal money or making a quick buck online. So what's the harm in going and offering them this $1,000 potential PayPal giveaway? And we can just type, if you need free PayPal gift cards, send me an email at, and you just type in the email that you used, and literally you just click on send over here. And then same with the Telegram or the PayPal Make Money group, you just click on that. And when people go and email you to this email, that autoresponder is going to reply with the giveaway, which is perfect. So that's how you're going to get a bunch of people. You can see 1,800 members. This one has 2,300 members. And that's also not the end of it. We can come back to our Google browser. We can come back to facebook.com and we can go and search Make Money Online groups. And we can do the same thing. We're not going to spam. We're literally going to talk to people, and we can say, if you want free gift cards, you can email me. So it's not just spamming your link everywhere. This is a far more effective way of doing things. And take a look at this. Here's a group with 137k members, Make Money Online. And here's actually my own group, which is pretty cool, with 64k members, Millionaire Mindset, Make Money Online. You're welcome to use my group. Be Your Own Boss, Make Money Online, 91k members. So all you're going to do is you're literally going to go onto the group that you've chosen, on the Make Money Online group. And over here, if I scroll down, just waiting for this page to load, internet's not being the fastest today. And we can go and make a simple post, and we can go, for example, hey guys, if you want free PayPal gift cards, send me an email, or I can actually just paste the email that I just used. I don't know why I'm typing it out. If you need free PayPal gift cards, send me an email at the email that you use, and you click on post. And what you can go and do is we can go throughout these different groups. We can reply to some of these comments. So for example, this guy, we can click on reply, and we can go, hey, would you like the chance to win some free PayPal gift cards? And just like that, if he says yes or no, you reply, because you want to seem organic. You don't want to seem like the spammer. You want to ask them a question which shows you an authentic person, not kind of any kind of bot. So I think they say yes or no. If they say yes, you can just send them, you're welcome to send me an email here, and I'll send them over, which will then automatically reply with that link to that $1,000 download page. So that's just another great way to go make some money with CPA marketing, completely free traffic. And by doing this and working at this, let's say an hour or two a day, you can easily get up to $50 to $100 a day using completely free traffic. If you go and talk to all the different people on these groups, you can also build an Instagram page, a Twitter page, TikTok. Remember, all the social media platforms is what we can go and use for this to get as much as traffic as possible to our link. But what I suggest is, on the screen above, make sure to go and check out this video. This teaches you how I was been making $400 a day with JVZoo and affiliate marketing. It will really help you out if you want to learn some other traffic methods with affiliate marketing, selling other products, making money online in general. This video will definitely help you out. So definitely suggest go and click on this video over here. Make sure you click on it, and I'll see you there.